know that 40% of the food that we produce in this country goes down to waste every year? And no, this isn't spoiled but perfectly edible food.
That's almost equal to what 7 times the population of Bangalore eats in an entire year. The impact?
Decomposed food waste in landfills produces a huge amount of methane, which has a higher impact on climate change as compared to CO2. Food wastage constitutes of 8 to 10% of the total human caused greenhouse gas emissions. Our homes and restaurants are responsible for 70% of that waste. Also, to compensate for the food wastage, more amount of land is often bought under cultivation, which might increase the pressure on